Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on how to add a MikroTik router to use Billnasi ISP billing system. We'll start off by logging in into our MikroTik. Go to the Winbox application. Uh, then check on the neighbors, the router that you want to configure. For my case, I want to configure this admin N41. This is its IP address, and currently it has no password. It is still default. It has no password. Then connect. Then open on the Winbox. Open new terminal. I want us to check if this router has internet. Let me set a new password. Then I ping google.com. Yeah, you can see the ping is returning a successful echo, meaning this router has internet. So on the next step, I'm going to the billing system dashboard. On the routers, I need to add a new router. Then I need to give the router a name. Let's say main router 2. And for the router OS version, back to the Winbox, I check top left. For my case, it is version 6.49, while the system requires version 6.85 and above. So I am within the threshold. Submit. After submitting, it is this one on my list, the last one on the list. Then I click actions. On the actions column, go to setup using wizard. For this step 2, I need to copy this script. This is the initial setup script. Then I back to the Winbox, still on the new terminal, paste that configuration. It will download the files that we need for the initial setup of the MikroTik router, and also it will enable your router to be able to communicate with our servers. Now it is downloading the server certificate, client key, client certificate, and all the scripts that are needed. It has executed the VPN script. The script file loaded successfully. Then on the interfaces, you can see a new interface has been created and it is running. So it means that now the router is reachable from our server. Now I need to check if it is online. Yes, online means that our server can reach your router, and also your router can also reach our server. So I proceed to step 3. On step 3, I decide how I want to map my router. For the first option, if I want to set up hotspot independently on its interfaces, on its own interface, let's say I want port 2 to have hotspot only, I check hotspot. And let's say if I want port 3 to have hotspot, to have PPOE, I select PPOE independently. So port 3 will only have PPOE. And in the case that I want to have both PPOE and hotspot on the same LAN ports, I select the third option PPE and hotspot, and for my case I would like to use this PPE and hotspot on the same LAN port. So I select option 3, then proceed. After clicking proceed, it will tell me your router has the following interfaces: Ethernet 1, 2, 3, 4, power line, and WLAN 1. Now we had earlier decided that I would like port 2 and 3 to have PPE and hotspot. So I select 2 and 3, then I click apply configuration for both PPE and hotspot. On the router, you can see it has already created a new bridge for PPE and hotspot, and it will also download the files. Now it has already mapped the ports port 2 and 3 to the hotspot. Then on the files, the hotspot files, you can see it is in the process of downloading. This one will take a while, but in about a minute it will be done. So just a recap. After you click apply, it will do all the required processes to ensure the service is up on the ports that you have selected, Ethernet 2 and 3. So you can see it is still downloading the files. Then setup success. On the router, it has already downloaded all files required. I can see on the IP hotspot, the hotspot has already been set up. On the PPE servers, I already have a PPE server on the PPE and hotspot bridge, and also I have already mapped the system. The configuration quick setup has already mapped ports 2 and 3 to the PPE and hotspot bridge. So if I plug anything to ports 3 or 2, I will get the services that I'm looking for. So ensure your router has internet, and it is version 6.48 and above.